At Afforda Print, our custom printed calendars serve as the perfect complement to your brand, keeping you in front of your audience for 12 months of the year. Not only are calendars a great way to promote your services, but they also make for an excellent gift. Here are some tips on how to make your calendar project a success. Number 1. Utilize each month to promote specific products or services. Number 2. Link photographs to relevant products or services. We can assist you with images and the design. Number 3. Incorporate a QR code for a call to action. We can explain the many benefits of using QR codes. Number 4. Include a branded greeting card for your calendar. Christmas cards are the perfect choice for such an occasion. At Afforda Print, you can purchase your custom printed calendars with confidence. We have numerous positive reviews from our customers on Google, Facebook, and Free Index. Choose Afforda Print, where we have the cure for the common card.